Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. This is a Hydrangea Pinky Winky we planted last spring, and we've lots of Hydrangea Pinky Winkies all around Pergola Nurseries. It's a fantastic hydrangea. Large white flowers like that, and they turn pink with age. I'll put a video up afterwards how he looks. This is the time of year to trim back any bit of green, and we sold an awful lot of Hydrangea Pinky Winky. They're a fantastic hydrangea. Trimmed them hard back like that now. You can see all the growth we've taken off. The idea is that encourages the plant to produce lots of lovely fresh growth this year, and it will encourage the plant to produce excellent flowers like that. Now it's important to feed all your hydrangeas now, your perennial flowers, your roses, every 4 to 6 weeks with this product here. This is Flower Max. This bag is nearly empty. We'll get another bag. So handful like that around, a couple of handfuls around to encourage this plant to throw up lots of young branches, and it will encourage you to have enormous flowers, and it brings out the intensity of the flower colour. So feed all your perennial flowers, all your roses, hydrangeas and climbing plants that flower every 4 to 6 weeks from now with Flower Max. That's Pinky Winky sorted out and fed for now. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.